Hello, investors. Today we're here to advise you to why Japan is a great country to invest your money. We will advise you on the country's culture, policies, and economic development. So, what makes Japan and its culture different from ours? It's no doubt that the Japanese are extremely hardworking people. In fact, according to BBC News in 2013, Japan is thought one of the higher hardworking countries with an annual average hours worked per person being 1,700. Many Japanese workers work over an approximate 80 hours a week, and they're also known to have 18 days on average entitled for vacation. But rarely do the Japanese ever take up even half of it. Can you imagine working that long? It's in their culture, and that their manufacturing differences in Japan enable projects to be completed faster, so that it makes it attractive to do business if a corporation wants work done fast, that's for sure. The Japanese business culture is much different than the North American ways, but there are so many benefits to dealing with them. They tend to create stable long-term relationships, which are the results from preserving the Japanese culture of being loyal to trusted partners. There are cultural differences between Canada and Japan, as the Japanese are generally polite people. They greet you with enthusiasm and are very service-oriented, while in Canada, personal service has become something that's normally defined to be paid with tips. Traveling and business trips to Japan are very pleasurable, as it's very safe no matter where you are and what time you travel in the country. They are able to obtain lots of Western cultural habits, and they are accustomed to avoid negative aspects that may occur. Although Japan is an Asian country, during meetings of large distributors, chances are that you'll be having a fluent English conversation, which is fantastic in order to avoid any misunderstandings. Unless you meet with the smaller corporations, then conversation is limited to very simple sentences such as good morning and nice to meet you and etc. National differences of language may increase costs of operations and administration, so it's important to know who you're dealing with. Keep in mind that Japanese are very loyal to their initial corporation, so they're known to be lifelong employees, so it is key to create strong bonds between the company and staff. It's important to know that Japanese are usually in corporate families at least 10 years, so it's better to never try big bonds between the company and hope to gain business. We can get a better idea if we look at Entrepreneur's 7 dimensions of cultural management, which address 3 universally shared social problems. 1. Being how people relate to others. 2. Being how people relate to time. And 3. How people relate to the environment. Japan is seen as more particularistic because the nation acts more based on situation and relationships, which is no surprise since they're known to create strong, trusting bonds. They're more collective, and they're also on the borderline between neutral and effective, as they tend to focus on tasks, but relationships can alter activities. The country does have an inscription society where status is based on schools, which is why they're so competitive and determined. They are believed to be an internal control culture, so everybody takes responsibility for their role. This enhances work ethic greatly. These cultural differences impact and affect decisions upon investing in Japan. Now we can look more into policies.
Created using Powtoon.